Many people say they love God. They sing, they pray, they post verses online. But Jesus gave us a clear standard. If you love me, keep my commandments. Love, in the eyes of Jesus, is not just emotion, it's obedience. It's not about how loud we worship, but how faithfully we walk. In John chapter 14, Jesus was preparing his disciples for his departure. He didn't ask for dramatic gestures. He asked for loyalty to his word. Today, many believers are drawn to feel-good messages, but real love for Christ means surrendering our will, even when it's uncomfortable, even when it costs us something. Following his commandments does not equate to achieving perfection, rather, it signifies a sense of direction. It reflects a heart that expresses, Lord, I desire to follow you.